The Neon Bank app stands out because its usability is built around speed, clarity, and user freedom. From the moment the app launches, the interface presents a clean dashboard showing your balance, recent transactions, and essential shortcuts without unnecessary layers. Everything is positioned for instant access, allowing users to perform routine tasks in seconds. Navigation is smooth, with a simple bottom menu that keeps transfers, cards, savings, and account settings within reach. The app responds quickly, even on budget Android devices, which is a major advantage for users who depend on fast banking on the go. Neon also eliminates traditional banking friction by allowing account opening directly inside the app with instant verification. No long forms. No unexpected delays. Transfers within the Neon app are straightforward, requiring only essential details. The transaction confirmation screen is clear and avoids clutter, making each step easy to follow. Push notifications arrive instantly for credits, debits, or card activity, enhancing real-time financial awareness. Card control features allow users to freeze or unfreeze their card, set spending limits, or request a new one with just a tap. Savings usability is another strong point. Neon saving spaces help users separate money for goals without navigating through complex menus. Each space displays progress visually, making it easier to keep track of targets. Deposits and withdrawals happen smoothly, and the app clearly shows how much interest a user is earning. Security is integrated into every section of the app, using biometric login, encrypted processes, and detailed logs that show all account activities. Despite strong security, the interface remains lightweight and easy to understand. Neon Bank's usability succeeds because it makes digital banking feel effortless. It combines clean design, rapid performance, and practical tools that match daily financial needs, creating one of the most user-friendly mobile banking experiences available.